guys, Nikki here. Welcome to my art channel. Hope you're all well. So I'll go through my colours. This is a mixture of Liquitex gouache in fluoro pink or opera pink and fluoro violet, equal parts, if I didn't say that. And this is equal parts again of this little piggy Hustle and this little piggy Maraschino. TLP stands for this little piggy, if you're not aware. And this is golden violet dark, permanent violet dark. The heavy body in the tubes. And this is another mixture. It's Pyrolle Red from Atelier with just a little bit of gold for some shimmer. And lastly, it's another golden, iridescent gold. And again, it's the heavy body in the tube. I like to use the tubes because they last ages, because you need such a small amount because it is so thick, so you get good bang for your buck. And my cell activators are Amsterdam lamp black and Atelier titanium white, both mixed with Australian Floetrol. And I do describe in my description box below how I like to mix, because I don't measure ratios, and so I explain how I like my consistency to be. I think once you sort of learn how to mix by consistency, you get better results. And my canvas is a 20-inch round canvas. So I'll put some music on and let you watch.
I was the girl all alone in the corner, drinking by herself on a Saturday night. You were the guy with your friends at the doorway, pretending that you had the time of your life. Had we met before? Instant chemistry. I was so glad you came. Had we met before? Laugh innocently, but it didn't feel like thunder or lightning, but something struck me when I was looking into your eyes. Wasn't love at first sight, and fire burning bright, but now I know what it was. It was like coming home. We were making our way through the town, yeah, never really wanted the night to end. And I was wishing you'd stick around, still I was thinking that we were just friends. Had we met before? Instant chemistry. I was so glad you came. Had we met before? Laugh innocently, but it didn't feel like thunder or lightning, but something struck me when I was looking into your eyes. Wasn't love at first sight, and fire burning bright, but now I know what it was. It was like coming home. It felt like coming home. Had we met before? Instant chemistry. It took me a while to realize that you were the missing piece. It didn't feel like thunder or lightning, but something struck me when I was looking into your eyes. Wasn't love at first sight, and fire burning bright, but now I know what it was. It was like coming home. Yeah, it felt like coming home. I was the girl all alone in the corner, drinking by herself on a Saturday night. there's a storm, I'm standing in the eye. When it rains, it pours, and you sure know how to make me cry. Thank God for the moon and how she lights up the sky tonight. You may think that you've lost me already. I feel that you tell me, but I'm still your girl. You may think that you've lost me already, but when things get heavy, I'm still your girl. This time, I think I'll wait it out. Staring up at the ceiling like a restless child. But after rain comes shine, and you sure know how to make me smile. Thank God for the moon and how she lights up the sky tonight, making everything alright. You may think that you've lost me already. Can't tell that you tell me, but I'm still your girl. You may think that you've lost me already, but when things get heavy, I am still. When things get heavy, yeah, I am still your girl. I'm still your girl. I'm still your, I'm still your girl.
So to the left, hopefully I'll show you on the camera in a minute, where it's very white, the petals, where not much of the colour blew out. I did swipe some gold and some of the pink into it, just to give it a little bit more colour. I love that bit there, it's like a butterfly wing. But my phone camera, the battery had died in it, so I couldn't film it. But you'll see in the still photos at the end what I'm talking about, where you can see that I swiped just very small amount, just to give it a bit more definition. If it had gone like that side there with the lot more cells of black and white, it would have been all right, but it's just quite white. If I don't zoom in now, you'll see when I pull out. But I love that bit there. But the colours are lovely, really nice. See what I mean there, the left? I mean, it's pretty, but just looks a bit odd to me. Okay then, so I'll see you all for Valentine's Day anyway, but I just thought I'd do a Valentine's Day flower for everybody. So thanks for being here, and everybody stay safe, take care, and please like if you like it, and subscribe so you know when I put out another video. And take care, stay safe, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.